I want you all to very carefully look at this picture and try to understand. Say, for example, let's start from here. If you are planning to apply, say, for example, in the 2025 match, so whether you are in the first year or second year of medical school, you know when will your internship start, when will your internship end. You know how it is in your medical school, whether you are allowed to, say, for example, break your internship to go to United States for your electives, or are you allowed to extend your graduation. All of these things that are particular to you and your medical school, you might be aware of it, or you can at least start finding it out. So just an estimate, just try to think what match here will you be applying. And I don't know if all of you know that this, but if you want to start your residency in, say, for example, July of this year, then you'll have to submit your application in September of the previous year. So you'll have to have everything ready, like we'll discuss in this picture, by September of previous year. So that is how it works. So if you have a rough idea or estimate of what match cycle you want to apply for residency, then you can do this back or reverse calculation. So residency will start in July 2025, so that will be called Match 2025. So for this, you need to entirely complete your application by 2024. That is the previous year in September. And what does this application include? It includes your CV, your personal statement, there are letters of recommendation. So there is, in your application for residency, there is a place for 4 letters of recommendation. And all of these you'll collect from your electives or observerships and your ECFMG certificate, right? So these are all the things you need to have completely ready by September. So what it means is you need to finish all your steps, step 1 and 2, and OET, or whatever the requirement that they'll add for that particular match cycle, and everything by July, August, right? All your steps, you need to have the results for all your USMLE steps available to you, and the other exam, you need to have that certificate, which also takes some time after you submit all your marks. And then, so accordingly, you will have to plan your internship, okay, your graduation, because you need to give your degree, your MBBS degree for your ECFMG certificate. ECFMG certificate is something that you need in order to be eligible to start residency in United States. And then all your paperwork you have to finish accordingly by July, August of previous year. So the point I'm trying to drive home here is all of this requires a lot of planning. In order to finish everything by July, you need to plan your steps, your step 1, step 2, your rotations, everything. And so it is a good idea to have a rough estimate of when you'll be sitting for match from the very beginning, and so that you can plan accordingly, and so you won't make mistakes, and it won't be any part of your process won't be rushed. And even if this is not something that you can follow, for some reason you're not able to meet every requirement and sit for that year, for some reason you have to take a year off for preparation, that's okay, it's perfectly fine. But having some idea helps, right?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.